Welcome back to Dan the Cleaning Man. Does your house always feel messy no matter how much you clean? What if I told you there is a simple rule that can keep your home spotless without spending hours scrubbing? It takes less than 60 seconds, requires zero effort, and once you start using it, you'll never go back. This is the 1 minute rule, and it's about to change the way you clean forever. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a system to keep your home looking amazing every day.
Hi everyone! Let me ask you something. How many times have you walked past a mess and thought, I'll get to it later, only to realize later never comes? Before you know it, the clutter piles up and cleaning feels overwhelming. If that sounds familiar, don't worry, you're not alone. But today, I'm sharing a simple, powerful cleaning strategy that can help you stay ahead of the mess without even breaking a sweat. It's called the 1 minute rule, and trust me, it's a game changer. So here's how it works. If a task takes less than 1 minute to do, you do it right away. That's it. No second guessing, no procrastination, just action. Think about it. Most of the messes we deal with every day aren't big jobs. They're small, manageable tasks that we put off. By addressing them as they come up, you save yourself the stress of letting them snowball. Let me show you what I mean. Here's a scenario. You're in the kitchen making coffee. You spill a little bit of sugar on the counter. Normally, you might think, oh, I'll wipe that up later. But with the 1 minute rule, you grab a paper towel and clean it up immediately. Done. It takes 15 seconds. But if you left it, by the end of the day, there'd be a sticky mess that's harder to clean, and it might even attract ants. Here's another example. You walk into your living room, and there's a pair of shoes in the middle of the floor. Instead of stepping over them and leaving them for later, pick them up and put them where they belong. It's 20 seconds of effort that keeps your space organized. Now, I know what you're thinking. What difference can such small actions really make? And that's a valid question. The beauty of the 1 minute rule is that it's not just about cleaning, it's about building habits. When you consistently take care of small messes in the moment, you're creating a mindset of action and responsibility. Over time, this mindset spills over into other areas of your life, whether it's work, relationships, or personal goals. Think of it this way. When you walk into a room that's clean and tidy, it feels different, right? There's less stress, less distraction. A clean space can actually make you feel more in control of your day. And the 1 minute rule helps you create that environment without dedicating hours to cleaning. Let's talk about how you can implement this rule in your daily routine. The first step is awareness. Pay attention to the little tasks you tend to put off. Is it hanging up your jacket when you come home? Putting the TV remote back in its spot? Wiping down the bathroom sink after you brush your teeth? Start noticing these moments, and when you catch yourself thinking, I'll do it later, stop and do it now instead. It helps to create triggers for yourself. For example, every time you leave a room, glance around and see if there's anything you can fix in less than a minute. Maybe it's straightening a pillow on the couch or tossing an empty water bottle into the recycling bin. These tiny actions add up, and they prevent bigger messes from forming. Another way to stay consistent with the rule is to challenge yourself. For 1 week, commit to the 1 minute rule and track your progress. Keep a small notebook or use your phone to jot down every time you catch yourself following the rule. At the end of the week, reflect on how it's made a difference. Is your space cleaner? Do you feel less overwhelmed? Chances are you'll notice a big improvement. Let's get practical for a moment. I'm going to walk you through a list of common 1 minute tasks that you can start doing right away. Picking up a piece of trash and throwing it away. And wiping down a kitchen counter or table after eating. The fluffing and arranging throw pillows. Hanging up your coat or putting away your shoes. Loading a single dish into the dishwasher. Putting dirty clothes into the hamper. Straightening a stack of papers on your desk. Changing an empty toilet paper roll. Putting a pen or notebook back in its place. Notice how simple these actions are? Each one takes almost no effort, but together they make a huge difference. Now, I want to address a common question people ask about the 1 minute rule. What if I get overwhelmed and feel like there are too many tasks to tackle? Great question. The key here is to focus only on tasks that take less than 1 minute. You're not trying to clean your whole house in one go. The goal is to make cleaning a part of your everyday flow, so it doesn't feel like a separate chore. For bigger cleaning projects, you can still apply the same mindset. Break the task into smaller steps and focus on what you can do in short bursts of time. For example, if you need to organize your closet, start by hanging up a few shirts. Even if you don't finish the whole job, you've made progress. Here's another thing to remember. The 1-minute rule isn't about being perfect. It's about building momentum. Some days, you'll have more energy and motivation than others, and that's okay. The important thing is to keep showing up and doing what you can. Let's hear from you now. What's one small cleaning task you've been putting off? Leave a comment below and let me know how you plan to tackle it using the 1-minute rule. I'd love to hear your stories, and who knows, you might inspire someone else to give it a try. Before we wrap up, let me share a quick story. A few months ago, I decided to fully commit to the 1-minute rule. I started by picking one room, my kitchen. Every time I noticed a small mess, I handled it right away. At first, it felt like such a small thing that it couldn't possibly make a difference. But within a week, I realized my kitchen was staying clean without me even trying. Dishes didn't pile up, the counters were always clear, and I felt so much more relaxed every time I walked in. That's the power of this rule. It makes cleaning almost effortless. If you've made it this far, congratulations! You're on your way to transforming your cleaning routine and your home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on keeping your space organized and stress-free. And if you know someone who could use a little help with cleaning, share this video with them. They'll thank you for it. That's all for today. Remember, small actions lead to big results. Start with the 1-minute rule and watch how it changes your life. See you in the next video.